Yo! Hey, 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 hey. Before I start this one, I just want to say once more RIP to Bravo Leroux. If you know, you know. Actually, let me explain why I'm saying that in the beginning of this music video. If you have watched the original video of Phethwe Sithi, if you know the original one, you know that Bravo Leroux was on the intro cameo of that music video, which was shot by Cadenza. Shout out to Cadenza, Quali Image. That's why I'm saying that, man. He kind of like propelled um the song to be what it is right now, and the meaning of the song, because the conversation that he has with Uflash in the beginning of that song is very, very profound. So I'm looking forward to see what they have on the remix, which is featuring Benji SA. I don't know Benji, but the name is familiar. And also Tay Africa. If you know, you know. We have a Black Couch podcast with Tay Africa. Yeah, I just forgot the word that he likes to use, man. Man's out la gamba. Hela, hela, hela. That's the word that he likes to use. And also Kitini. I haven't heard from Kitini for a very long time, so this one is very exciting, and I'm excited, man. I'm I'm the same person as Kitini because I haven't done reactions in a very long time. So I thought, let me come back, man. Let me come back because if we're not doing these things, who else is gonna do it? So with that being said, Phethwe Sithi, let's go, man. Let's see. Oh shit. Let me go back. I wanna see who's on that. Yeah. I don't know most of these guys, man. I just know the ones that are on the music. Is that Sage? Is that Sage over there? I'm not sure if I'm seeing Sage though. Okay, let's go. Johannesburg. Hey. Let's go. Ah! Yo. I like the shout out to, I think is it Vaccine, 2K Vaccine or something like that. The production that has shot this music video. I like the slide. That slide is crazy, man. What a slide. Let's go.
Sendimkile mna ngiphinde ningicall imisile ingqondo sayifuna insokolo asiqhamazeli kwelicala impolo sibhana gogo asiphela umoya asifuna ifame asanga ngalona ifame sozithenga idladla nemoto funa.
Okay, I don't know why is YouTube is doing this to me, man. Why is YouTube doing this to me? Let's start it over. For Londo YouTube. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Sendimkile mna ngiphinde ningicall imisile ingqondo sayifuna insokolo asiqhamazeli kwelicala impolo sibhana gogo asiphela umoya asifuna ifame asanga ngalona ifame
Cleasy on the building. I saw him sliding there.
sibhana gogo asiphela umoya asifuna ifame asanga ngalona ifame sozithenga idladla nemoto.
Oh shit. That's one of the lines that I feel like Bravo stood for. That line, that flash that just dropped, It's one of the lines that uBravo Leroux stood for. Fame won by Dladla Nemoto. Like, he was always on that tip to say that we have to sibasele abantwana nangempokoto, not only ngefame. Mpokoto mayigcwale guys. Let's get the bag, man. Drip, the drip.
And rapping Jenny, Janan and John. Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi, 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 Mole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi.
Fike nasithathela isikhundla kudala ndiyisusa but zange banixo ufika apha emonti ndiphole nesibani I guess you can see by izinto zajika mshita ungcame ngofiki memo siyithatha apha eking sibura uziminca ngophika khetha amacanga ngokusixelela izitori isijimbo sicinga uyaji koko ibonile weyiphethwe.
That's my nigga. If you know, you know this guy. Oh my god, I can't wait for his music video. I'm gonna react on his music video, man. If you know, you know. I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Sasibamba ubomi wachinja amanifoni etheni banikhala qho nxa ziboys ezifries elifiji dala sibaphakela abantu sibatyisa incasa sekushota basihlambela izitya.
Sheesh. Let them wash the dishes, bro.
In the map cause akhona ezojika hleli iyakhanya all around my G's.
Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi.
He's actually wearing Bravo Leroux match there. Shout out, man.
Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi.
Did you see that? Did you see that? The visuals are crazy, man. Look at that. Because, like, the background is static. And then he's moving, like, on a normal vibe.
Way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Mole way, Phethwe Sithi.
Ningayopuli la guitar, guys. I'm very sensitive when it comes to a guitar. I think Tay is coming in, man.
But it's hey, we miss it when you flow in English. Tell the truth, I ain't really thought you listened. French kiss.
Wait. Let's go back.
But it's hey, we miss it when you flow in English. Tell the truth, I ain't really thought you listened. French kiss, how between the tongues I'm.
Oh shit. So okay. It's not Xhosa now. We're not gonna Xhosa. Let's see. Because now he says that his fans say that they miss him when he raps in English, and he didn't think that they noticed. Let's see. Let's hear.
Miss it when you flow in English. Tell the truth, I ain't really thought you listened. French kiss, how between the tongues I'm flipping. Ilamza.
Oh, French kiss when you do the tongue twist. I'm flipping.
English, tell the truth, I ain't really thought you listened. French kiss, how between the tongues I'm flipping. Ilamza, qala izinto how I'm lipping. Dona uliqephe uphathe uphethwe. Never been a rat but
What? Uphathe uphethwe uliqephe. Cause uqephe liphathe ukutya and uphathwe kulo mntu utyayo. Damn. Food for thoughts.
Qala izinto how I'm lipping. Dona uliqephe uphathe uphethwe. Never been a rat but ukhana ucwethe. Niggas need balls, I ain't ngama ncede.
Yeah, I don't want to pause a lot, man, but yeah. Never been a rat. If you're Xhosa, you'll understand what he's saying. I'm not gonna explain everything.
Never been a rat, but niggas need balls, I ain't ngama ncede. Vele funi slow tin tsali khanga like you get a shot. Sure khali zandla qapha.
You get a shot. Guys, I'm vibing. Let's go. What did I do now? Okay. Press mute by mistake. Let's go.
Niggas need balls, I ain't ngama ncede. Vele funi slow tin tsali khanga like you get a shot. Sure khali zandla qapha shots. Niggas is drink, time yeah force. Yabona for mine guys shots go all over. Phethwe Sithi ngoble way Phethwe Sithi. Ongagcwanga lo line uzoqina. Usekhona ukubevu uyaphila. Umadiba nomnune bathi.
Shout out. That's a big shout out. I knew Tay Africa won't leave that shout out. I knew Tay Africa. Shout out to you, Tay, bro. You know, we know. Like it's been, man. Shout out.
Flash ubenji no train no team Egemini bothukile ngokuphando lifikile Baze zingakodwa sivalelekile Profile ikhi unit so bekufanelekile Sinomhlangano omkhulu idibeni EC Menze proud umakhulu benibukele TV Nginobhuta abakhulu xa benibonelala Ngixiza intombi kakhulu Ngikabele stage Fakilale emephini ngokiflash lightile Naxesha abathini so dibana esikhathini Senifikile ebhantini balekile kumkiki Wensafune bisho high
Ooh. I like the fact that he's putting the spotlight on the EC. I like that because like there's quite a few people who are actually doing that, even for Cape Town. Like we gotta make sure that we continue doing that for ourselves, bro. Because no one is gonna do that shit for us.
Xesha bathini so dibana esikhathini Senifikile ebhantini balekile kumkiki Wensafune bisho high oko benemotion Phinde zimoves eGauteng Jiki senibuyele king Qiqin shoot ivideo Philip Ukubeva umkesi Phethwe Sithi
Oh shit. If you know that line, if you know, you know, brah. Because that music video was shot Philippi Village. The originals Phethwe Sithi. That was shot in Philippi Village, and that's where Bravo appeared on the music video with Flash. So yeah, that line. I like the fact that like they closing their verses with like appreciation for Ukubevu, man. Shout out.
Bisho high oko benemotion Phinde zimoves eGauteng Jiki senibuyele king Qiqin shoot ivideo Philip Ukubeva umkesi Phethwe Sithi ngole way Phethwe Sithi ngole way Phethwe Sithi ngole way
I don't know, man. That chick, this chick is familiar. Can someone tell me whose chick is this? Ichikabani le okanye ungubani yena, because I feel like she's very, very familiar. If you know, please comment on the comment section and let me know. But metkabani le.
Phethwe Sithi ngole way Phethwe Sithi ngole way Phethwe Sithi
It's been a little while, I'm back in.
Oh, okay, this is a teeny verse. Let's go. This is a teeny verse, and he's been away for some time. Let's hear what he has to say. Teeny.
Phethwe Sithi ngole way Phethwe
It's been a
Sithi
little while, I'm back in. Sending whack rap is packing. The daytime starts moving backwards. Be the day you ever catch me lacking.
What? Wait, Teeny. Ima.
The daytime starts moving backwards. Be the day you ever catch me lacking. I remember camps in the lab when I had the gang packed in the back of the.
Guys, I think I missed the bar there. If you caught it, please write it on the comments. Like, I think I missed something there. I don't know, maybe it's the beat that's interrupting, but like I missed something.
Back in, sending whack rap is packing. The daytime starts moving backwards. Be the day you ever catch me lacking. I remember camps in the lab when I had the gang packed in the back of the wagon. We ain't never had no rags, no food, no drink, just passion. No clue, no licks, just classics. No flukes, no tricks, just action. I had to move.
You can hear it. There's that crunch in the verse. The syllables.
No clue, no licks, just classics. No flukes, no tricks, just action. I had to move packs and the racks to the plug. Niggas had to make do with.
The visuals are crazy.
No flukes, no tricks, just action. I had to move packs and the racks to the plug. Niggas had to make do with a fraction. I swear, word of my partner, I might need a doctor. I feel like my illness contagious. Cause Flash hit me up and
I feel like my illness is contagious. You ill, dog.
word of my partner, I might need a doctor. I feel like my illness contagious. Cause Flash hit me up and we locked in and I think he got it. I guess that explains it.
Oh shit. I like it when someone like is giving props to someone who's actually really pushing at the current moment. I like that, man. I like that. And I like the fact that he picked up the call to say, Flash, I'm pulling up. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Let's all do it. Because why? Why are people lagging out there? Why you think you are still like in the 90s or early 2000s? We got to work. We got to work.
Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi up and we locked in and I think he got it, I guess that explains it. Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi ngole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi ngole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi ngole way, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi, Phethwe Sithi ngole way, Phethwe Sithi.
Shout out, man. Shout out, man. The vibe, the energy. Crazy. Dayazi itafile yalo bhuti. Itafile kathei. Isoloko imnyama itafile kathei. Itafile enothei. Izawuba mnyama. Xhosaholic. Xhosiolist. Shout out, man. Shout out. The trip is crazy, man. Okay, 2K vaccine film. Let's go. That was dope, man. That was dope. I might have missed a lot of bars. I might have missed a lot of those. I'm gonna re-listen to it and yeah, dissect it a little bit on my own without the camera. But that was my first reaction, man. That was my first reaction of the song. A genuine reaction. Shout out to Flash Ikumkani. Shout out to Benji. Shout out to Tay. Shout out to Kitini. That was dope, man. I feel like the energy is like getting somewhere, bro. Like the energy is getting somewhere. And I heard there's a diss. There's a diss. Tay dissed with Legend. I don't know. I'll see if I can react to that. But shit is crazy, man. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, and let everyone know that I'm back.